Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about how a configuration file affects when you are changing HBM to DTL.auto property in our Eclipse place here inside this configuration file of Hibernate. So today we will see the CRUD operations. So CRUD operations are like some basic four operations which you do in day-to-day programming. Any project you can just take out any project, either it's a small project or an enterprise level project. Doesn't matter where you are trying to do or what kind of operation you are trying to do. Ultimately, these are the majorly used operations which you will see in your project. Either you are going to create or insert some record, or read some record, updating some records, and at the end you might be want to remove that record from your database. So Hibernate provides some simple methods which you can use them and have your operations done without writing a single SQL query. Otherwise, for create, you have to write insert query. Create means here we want to insert record. So insert query, right? For read, you have to write select query. For update, there's update query and then delete query. So if you know these things, that's well and good. And if you don't know, so you guys will see how easily you can perform these four basic operations without spending much time on SQL queries or learning anything new. Just one method and things will be done. So in next video, we'll talk about these four methods provided by Hibernate and how we can perform the operations. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.